No look。天黑了，今天一天没有一次饭。这一家有几个摩托。Hello, sir. I'm sorry for bother you. I am a cyclist around the world by bike without taking money. This is my story. I'm challenging myself. I ask you, can you help me for me some food to eat? I'm so hungry.
I can give you a slice of pizza if you want it. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yeah, thank you, sir. 我感觉我现在要饭像硬抢一样，没有感情呀，像抽自己一人。要给主人分享我的故事。
It's pizza.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Can I show my story for you? This is me. I'm not a homeless. I show you.
Awesome. I would not do that.
I'm from New York, settled in your home.
Okay.
2 months, 3 days.
Wow.
And from here, go Mitchell.
Yeah.
And from Mitchell, go Yellowstone Park.
Okay.
From there to San Francisco.
Yellowstone, San Francisco.
Yeah.
Okay.
And every day, I bag food, sleep tent.
Yeah. Well, we got tents too.
I found your motorcycle, so I come your house bag food. I think you like travel. We are same person.
Yeah. You want a beer?
I want.
Alcohol?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get you a beer.
Thank you, sir.
Zach.
Ife.
Ife?
Yeah. Turkey.
Hey, take a picture?
Of course. My flag movement.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. That is pretty cool.
My flag is my story.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Do you want one?
Yeah.
Just take it.
Okay. Yeah, dude.
Didn't think I was gonna end up doing that. Meeting something like that on this trip.
Are you making a video for YouTube?
Yes, I have a YouTuber.
Okay. Yeah. Can you show me?
Okay.
I'll follow you.
Okay.
We have more food if you want this.
I give you.
Okay. It's like garlic bread with cheese.
I like this.
Yeah.
Every day I'm hungry.
Oh, I bet.
Oh, thank you.
Very cool. Thank you. That's cool. I've never seen you before.
This is England. This is Europe. This is France, England. A lot of countries.
Wow.
You look.
Wow. That's crazy.
My employee's trying to learn how to ride a bike. So, yeah.
How many tires? Same tires or different tires?
Never change.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
From New York, cycling here, never change.
What?
Thank you, sir.
It's not a problem, man.
You are my good luck.
Here to help as much as we can.
How far from here to our church?
Church?
Yeah, church.
You say it's churches?
Yeah.
Not one in town? Oh, there's like 15 in town.
Probably
Yeah, 30
Harvest.
bars.
Harvest Community Church does a lot for people.
Oh, tomorrow breakfast I have food. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Harvest Community Church who help pay for their electricity.
1017 Norway.
Can I put my phone?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Safe travels.
Okay. Bye, sir.
See ya.
Yeah.
Safe travels.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye bye. 同行，相同爱好者。看，都连解冻都也直接不饿。做完饭再找路。但是这样真的跑，这样让我的感觉我自己有点冷血。我刚刚要饭，我就想抽。啊，好，米切尔，离米切尔还有多少？然后大哥给我hold charge in my phone 4.2英里。今天晚上就睡在大哥给我指的charge。哇，奥利给给，哈哈，我吃饱了。2024年7月4号，在外面流浪的整100天。现在美国时间10点钟，找到了我的家，巡视教堂一圈，熟悉我的环境，之后找东，别被明天的太阳晒醒。第二 今天的风很大，我要找一个帮我挡风的地儿。我差不多巡视一圈了，没有什么理想的地方啊。这个好，就这。我来第二领我的后面。你看这外面的风有多大呀！呼呼叫，感觉要把我的帐篷连我的人一起吹跑。只要你一个人欣赏。